It's 8 o'clock in the morning. You're in Germany and you want to greet someone. What do you say? How do you say good morning in German? You know that already? Yeah, you've probably learned Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. And that's correct if you pronounce it very clearly. But in real life, people will make a shorter version of that. So we actually say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Yeah, so the ending, the en ending, becomes shorter. You don't really hear the e. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Can you repeat that? Yeah. Guten Morgen. Okay, now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. How do you greet someone in German? Yeah, you can say Guten Tag, Guten Tag, but you can also say Guten Tag, Guten Tag. And that's what you will probably hear most people say on the street. Guten Tag. Can you repeat that? Guten Tag. Sehr gut. Okay, now it's 9 o'clock in the evening. How do you greet someone? Yeah, it can be Guten Abend, Guten Abend, but you can also say Guten Abend, Guten Abend. So again, we kind of leave the E out. Guten Abend. Say that again. Guten Abend. Okay, sehr gut. Guten Abend. So we've got Guten Morgen, Guten Tag und Guten Abend. Now my homework for you, if you live in a German-speaking country, is to greet someone in the morning, during the day and in the evening. Enter a store or greet someone, a stranger on the street, and just tell them Guten Morgen, Guten Tag and Guten Abend. And then pay attention to how they respond. Will they also say Guten Morgen, Guten Tag and Guten Abend? Or will they say something else? They might answer Morgen or Tag or Abend. That's another way of saying it. Yeah? Sometimes we just leave the Guten out and we just say Morgen, Tag und Abend. Okay, tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal. Ah, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it and to subscribe to my channel. Tschüss!